Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hard Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to set up the app timers in your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. At first we need to open settings and now scroll down till we see the Digital Wellbeing and Parental controls. Here scroll down till you see, where is that? Here app timers. Tap that. And here app timer name, for example, safety, something like that. Now you can select items, which is actually the applications. Let it be, for example, Gemini. Tap done. Tap add schedule. Here we can set on every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. We can select, as you can see, days. And let me, for example, use this 4 days and select the time. That'll be, for example, in the moment here, like this. Tap save, and now, as you can see, we have, as you can see, our timer. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.